Hello and welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete phone calls on your device, whether you want to erase a single call or your entire call history. This is a useful feature if you want to free up some space on your phone or protect your privacy. So, let's get started. Step 1. Go to the phone app. This is the app that you use to make and receive calls. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Click on Recents. This is the icon that looks like a clock at the bottom of the screen. It will show you a list of all the calls that you have made, received, or missed recently. Step 3. Tap a number or contact. This will open a menu with more options for that specific call. You can see the date, time, duration, and type of the call. Step 4. Tap Call History. This will show you all the calls that you have made or received from that number or contact. You can scroll down to see more calls. Step 5. You can slide left or right to delete a single call. This will remove that call from your call history and your recent list. Alternatively, you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select Delete History. This will delete all the calls from that number or contact. And that's it. You have successfully deleted phone calls on your Android phone. You can repeat these steps for any other number or contact that you want to delete. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more phone tips and tricks.